An impressive score reflects hard work and dedication. Whether one passed or not, the experience provides opportunities for learning and improvement. Continuing to push forward is key to reaching goals in the electrical field. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards designed to ensure the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. It's updated every 3 years to incorporate new technologies and address emerging safety concerns. Understanding the NEC is crucial for electricians, electrical engineers, inspectors, and anyone involved in electrical work. It's not just about passing inspections, it's about protecting lives and property from electrical hazards. The NEC covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Navigating this code can be challenging, but there are resources available to help. There are training courses, study guides, and online forums where you can ask questions and get guidance from experienced professionals. The NEC is organized into chapters, articles, and sections, each addressing specific aspects of electrical installations. Chapter 1 covers general requirements, including definitions, scope, and enforcement. Chapter 2 deals with wiring and protection, including conductor sizing, overcurrent protection, and grounding. Chapter 3 covers wiring methods and materials such as cables, conduits, and raceways. Chapter 4 addresses equipment for general use, including switches, receptacles, and luminaires. Chapter 5 covers special occupancies such as hazardous locations, healthcare facilities, and recreational vehicles. Chapter 6 addresses special equipment such as elevators, electric signs, and swimming pools. Chapter 7 covers special conditions such as emergency systems, fire alarm systems, and communications systems. Chapter 8 addresses communications systems such as telephone, data, and cable television. Chapter 9 contains tables and examples to aid in understanding and applying the code. Understanding the structure of the NEC is essential for finding the information you need quickly and efficiently. Each article typically begins with a general statement of the requirements, followed by specific rules and exceptions. Tables are used extensively throughout the NEC to provide information on conductor ampacity, conduit fill, and other technical data. It's important to use the correct table for the specific application and to understand the notes that accompany each table. One of the most important concepts in the NEC is overcurrent protection. Overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, are designed to protect electrical circuits from excessive current that could cause overheating or fire. The NEC specifies the types and sizes of overcurrent protection devices that are required for different types of circuits and equipment. Another critical concept is grounding. Grounding provides a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, which helps to prevent electric shock and equipment damage. The NEC specifies the grounding requirements for different types of electrical systems and equipment. Wiring methods are also covered extensively in the NEC. The NEC specifies the types of wiring methods that are permitted for different applications, such as non-metallic sheathed cable, metal conduit, and cable trays. The NEC also specifies the installation requirements for each wiring method, including support, protection, and termination. Equipment installation is another important area covered by the NEC. The NEC specifies the installation requirements for a wide range of electrical equipment, including switches, receptacles, luminaires, and appliances. The NEC also specifies the clearances that are required around electrical equipment to ensure safe operation and maintenance. Special occupancies such as hazardous locations, healthcare facilities, and recreational vehicles have additional requirements in the NEC. These requirements are designed to address the unique hazards that are present in these occupancies. For example, hazardous locations require explosion-proof equipment and wiring methods to prevent ignition of flammable gases or vapors. Healthcare facilities require special grounding and isolation systems to protect patients from electrical shock. Recreational vehicles require special wiring methods and overcurrent protection to ensure safe operation of electrical equipment. Special equipment, such as elevators, electric signs, and swimming pools also have additional requirements in the NEC. These requirements are designed to address the unique hazards that are associated with this equipment. For example, elevators require special wiring and control systems to ensure safe operation. Electric signs require special overcurrent protection and grounding to prevent electric shock. Swimming pools require special bonding and grounding to protect swimmers from electrical shock. Special conditions, such as emergency systems, fire alarm systems, and communication systems, have additional requirements in the NEC. These requirements are designed to ensure that these systems will operate reliably during an emergency. Emergency systems require a backup power source to provide electricity during a power outage. Fire alarm systems require special wiring and notification appliances to alert occupants of a fire. Communications systems require special grounding and surge protection to prevent damage from lightning or power surges. The NEC is not a static document. It is constantly being updated to reflect new technologies and address emerging safety concerns. It is important to stay up to date on the latest changes to the NEC to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. There are several ways to stay up to date on the NEC. You can attend training courses, read industry publications, and subscribe to online newsletters. You can also participate in the NEC development process by submitting proposals for changes to the code. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document, but it is essential for ensuring the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. By understanding the NEC and staying up to date on the latest changes, you can help to protect lives and property from electrical hazards. The National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, publishes the NEC. NFPA is a non-profit organization that develops and publishes codes and standards related to fire and electrical safety. The NEC is adopted by many jurisdictions as the legal requirement for electrical installations. It is important to check with your local authorities to determine which edition of the NEC is in effect in your area. The NEC is not intended to be a design manual. It is a set of minimum safety requirements. It is the responsibility of the electrical designer to ensure that the electrical installation meets all applicable codes and standards and is suitable for the intended use. The NEC is a valuable resource for anyone involved in electrical work. By understanding the NEC and applying it correctly, you can help to ensure that electrical installations are safe and reliable. The NEC covers electrical installations in buildings, structures, and other premises. It also covers electrical installations outdoors, such as in parking lots and on billboards. The NEC does not cover electrical installations in ships, aircraft, or other vehicles. These installations are covered by other codes and standards. The NEC is divided into 9 chapters, each covering a different aspect of electrical installations. Chapter 1 contains general information such as definitions and scope. Chapter 2 covers wiring and protection. Chapter 3 covers wiring methods and materials. Chapter 4 covers equipment for general use. Chapter 5 covers special occupancies. Chapter 6 covers special equipment. Chapter 7 covers special conditions. Chapter 8 covers communications systems. Chapter 9 contains tables and examples. Each chapter is further divided into articles and sections. Articles cover specific topics, such as grounding or overcurrent protection. Sections provide detailed requirements for specific applications. The NEC uses a numbering system to identify each section. The first number indicates the chapter, the second number indicates the article, and the third number indicates the section. For example, section 210.12 covers arc fault circuit interrupter protection. The NEC also uses abbreviations and acronyms to simplify the text. For example, amp stands for ampere, volt stands for voltage, and watt stands for power. It is important to understand these abbreviations and acronyms to properly interpret the NEC. The NEC is a living document that is constantly being updated to reflect new technologies and address emerging safety concerns. The NFPA publishes a new edition of the NEC every 3 years. It is important to use the latest edition of the NEC to ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant. The NEC is available in print and electronic formats. The electronic format is searchable, which makes it easier to find the information you need. The NEC is also available on CD-ROM and online. There are many resources available to help you understand and apply the NEC. The NFPA offers training courses and publications on the NEC. There are also many private companies that offer training courses and consulting services on the NEC. It is important to choose a reputable provider to ensure that you receive accurate and up-to-date information. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document, but it is essential for ensuring the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. By understanding the NEC and using it correctly, you can help to protect lives and property from electrical hazards. Remember, electrical safety is everyone's responsibility. Always follow the NEC and other applicable codes and standards when working with electricity. If you are not qualified to perform electrical work, hire a licensed electrician. Electricity is a powerful force that can be dangerous if not handled properly. Take the necessary precautions to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. Always turn off the power before working on electrical equipment. Use insulated tools and equipment. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as safety glasses and gloves. Never work on electrical equipment in wet or damp conditions. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical safety, consult a qualified electrician. The NEC is a valuable resource for anyone involved in electrical work. By understanding the NEC and using it correctly, you can help to ensure that electrical installations are safe and reliable. The NEC is not just a set of rules, it is a guide to safe electrical practices. By following the NEC, you can help to prevent electrical fires, shocks, and other hazards. The NEC is a constantly evolving document that reflects the latest advances in electrical technology. By staying up to date on the NEC, you can ensure that your electrical installations are safe and compliant with the latest standards. The NEC is a complex and comprehensive document, but it is essential for anyone who works with electricity. By taking the time to learn the NEC, you can help to protect yourself and others from electrical hazards. Remember, electrical safety is everyone's responsibility.